Welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the new, for this year, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's been a long time since I've reviewed one of Samsung's flagship phones, approximately 3 years, so we're really excited to have this here and to see what's changed since then. We got this off the Best Buy website for about $1,300 without tax. There's several different flavors of storage. There's a 256, a 512, which we have here, and then a 1 terabyte. Several different flavors of colors. There's a titanium black, which we have here, titanium blue, titanium silver, and a titanium white. I think it's more of a grayish color. Anyway, lots to unpack here. We also got the a silicone case for it, so we'll throw that on there as well after we go over the chassis. Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the phone first. Put that off to the side. The phone. Let's see what's in here first. Looks like we got the door opener here, the little pin that opens up the door for the SIM. I don't want to rip anything here. There we go. Ah, we got the USB-C charger. Right off the bat, I can tell that from previous reviews that I've had or looked at, and I've had one of these phones myself, the corners here are rounded off. If I remember right, they were a little more, there was some edge to it. You had some actual sharper corners here. I kind of like the rounded edges. Alright, this phone comes with Android 15. The processor brand is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, specifically for the Galaxy, and it runs at 4.47 gigahertz, and the phone memory RAM is 12 gigabytes. The product height itself is 6.4 inches, 3.1 inches width. I hope I said it's 6.4 inches in height. 0.3 inches in depth and about 46 ounces in weight. I think I'll take their word for it. Okay. Then we got the, not sure if I can get that out. Then we got our pin here. Has a button here, I'm guessing, for some gestures, although I did hear that this pen itself cannot be used that works with the camera itself. The gestures don't work on the cameras anymore. They took that feature out. Not sure why. But I never used it for that anyway. Anyway, there you go. There's the phone. Let's check out the case here. All right. Some instructions on how to use the case, I guess. Pass that over there. Filler. And there is the case. Ooh, I really like that. It fits really nicely. All right, we're gonna take it out of the case though because we wanna talk about the phone itself a little bit. This one is actually unlocked. It's not tied to any service like Verizon or AT&T. So anyway, we're going to be working with it off the, my Wi-Fi here. One thing I do know about this phone is that the maximum depth of water resistance is 5 feet. And it is rated for IP68. I wish it was IP69, but that's okay. It's got some security features, facial recognition, and fingerprint reader. So that's pretty nice. Okay, a couple more things about this phone. Nothing on the left-hand side here. It's nice and smooth there. And then on top, you got some mics. On the right-hand side, you got a power button and you got your volume rocker. Then on the bottom here, you have your S Pen, which I've already shown you, but we'll test it out. This is actually a speaker, USB-C charging port, and then right here is where the tray is for your SIM card when you hook this up to an actual data plan. And there you go. You can see that, and that's what this little, I guess you can call it a key or a pin or whatever you want to call it, but that's what this is for. All right, you have a front-facing camera, which is 12 megapixels, rear-facing camera that is 200 megapixels. It has a telephoto camera, and then that's 10 megapixels, and then an ultra-wide camera that is 50 megapixels. Video recording, resolution and frame rates up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS. It's got an optical zoom, 3x and 10x, and digital zoom 100x. All right, I want to just bring my iPhone here next to it. Almost the same size, but the Samsung's a little bit thicker. And this is an iPhone 14, just to let you know. Okay, let's power it up. Okay, now that it's powered on, we're going to check out the S Pen and the different things that you can do with it. Let's go ahead and click on that. We'll do, create a note. Okay, I'm going to put it down on the table here. And while I write, I want you to listen really hard. Oops. Oh, different colors go black. You can hear it writing. Still all right? Let me try that again. That is really cool. Can we do a different color? Let's do blue. I love the fact that it makes the sound of an actual felt pen against paper. That is really cool. Okay, we're going to test out the screen here with a 4K HDR at 60 FPS video. And then we have the front-facing camera here. It's not bad. Doesn't have ProMotion like Apple does, but it does the trick. You could probably get away with doing some teleconferencing on your phone if you needed to in a pinch. Not bad. So how can we test a phone without just a little bit of gaming? So that's it for this video of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're going to do a little more testing, we're going to do a little more gaming, and I really want to check out the cameras, and I want to do some, take some video outside and see what that looks like. And then we'll bring that video to you as soon as possible. Do I like the phone so far? Yeah. Absolutely, it's fantastic. It's very fast. I like the aesthetic. It feels really great in the hand. And then I really like this case too. It's really anti-slip, very soft. So, but the phone itself, yes, not a lot of buttons on the side. They keep it pretty simple, and that's good for me. And then it's, I don't know what the charging is. I'll have to test that as well, but that'll be a next video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Helps the channel. Not only that, gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. And for that, we thank you. We'll see you in the next one.